All right, so Unit 4, Activity 5, drawing the information together. So click File, and then make a copy, and that will give you a copy of this document. Now, you can see by this document that there is a certain consistency to the formatting of this document. And what I mean by consistency is that the font is the same throughout. And when you have items that are highlighted, the same types of items are highlighted below. So if you're looking to effectively communicate a document, to create a piece of work that you are trying to communicate with someone, the way to take away distraction is to make sure that your formatting is consistent. So you can see here, the questions that I have are highlighted in green. So if you copy and paste work from different websites, your fonts are going to be different. They are not going to be the same. In a presentation, that is distracting for your audience. So what you want to do is be consistent throughout. Now here's a tip. If you hit Control and the letter A, it selects all of the text within a document. And that way, you can then go to your font here, which I see is all Arial, and I can make it all 12-point font. That way my font size is consistent throughout the work that I do. If you have copied and pasted from specifically the e-learning site, lots of the questions and lots of the text that you get from there is highlighted in green. There's a way to change that. If I triple click on what's called a paragraph, in this case a line, but this is a big chunk of text, you can see that the highlight color is in fact some shade of what I can't tell because I'm colorblind. It could be green, it could be gray. Can somebody help me out? Is it green? Yes? Okay, super. So it is a shade of green. Now this is the wonderful thing. If you are colorblind like me, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just the way that your eyes are developed. And Google has a great little tool here in that if you hover over a color, it tells you what the color is, which is super helpful for a colorblind person like me. Anyways, triple click. Go to highlight, click on none. That way you've gotten rid of the green. Back to the home page here, folks. There you go. You should be seeing the home page now. There are a number of items here. Okay, good stuff. If I go back to the planner, you are going to be asked to organize your thinking. To organize your thinking about those different resources. So in your group, you are going to be completing this planner as a group. One of the first things that you can do is fill in what your subject is. What your subject is. Here where it says insert subject, that means you are going to be required to place your subject there. So in this case, we're looking at technology. Technology. And you're going to think about technology from a place of legal principles. Legal principles. So legal principles could include privacy, safety, and so on. The next piece you are going to be asked to do is to organize your information. So what's a domestic source and what's an international source? A domestic and an international source. You will probably be able to tell what domestic and international sources are as soon as you open that link.